gotten all their stuff moved in. While it's not blazing hot outside, we're going to work on breaking down some of all of the boxes and the cardboard. I thought I made some good progress in the kitchen, but then everything got moved in. So we have a lot of work to do. Here comes my sister. So much work to do, but it's okay. It's so fun because the kids are just having a blast playing with each other in the morning. We're going to drink coffee together. It's worth it, right?
Oh, it's so worth it. This is
so
great.
Worth it. Breaking down all the boxes.
Wouldn't want to do it with anybody else.
Wouldn't do it with anybody else. That's for sure. Let me show you what we've done a little bit so far. So this was the back bedroom. And we've got it set up with the couch, the crib. Again, this kind of becoming the play area. This room is quite large, so I think that's working out well. I haven't gotten to the floors in here yet, but you can see we're keeping this a laundry room and closet. We've got to hang some shelving. We're gonna make this a little vanity area for my sister. And then you've got all the laundry. I'm gonna try to get to these floors soon. That's just kind of, you can see there's a whole lot of stuff to put away. This is kind of how we've got the main room set up. Again, just haven't made any beds or anything like that yet. My poor sister and brother-in-law were up till like 1 a.m. at the old house just trying to get it cleaned out. They've got a little pantry that we're gonna set up here and got some more storage going into the kitchen, which I thought I made a good amount of progress on, but there is a lot more to do. Wow, that's a lot of boxes. Okay, so I guess we'll try to get this all over to the recycling center, and then I feel like that's helpful to just have this all out of the way. Is that all baby stuff that needs to go in the basement? I think we're all tired, but I have to tell you, the most amazing thing about this is seeing the kids together. My kids have woken up every morning with their cousin and they are just entertaining and playing. And my 9-year-old, who typically would ask me for the Nintendo Switch as soon as he wakes up, is asking for his cousin instead. So I have lived in big cities. I have lived far away from family, pursuing different things. And I'm telling you, I think this is the way we were meant to live, close to family with the village. Kind of this narrative, go off and do it on your own, is not what it's meant to be. So thanks again for following along and keep watching to see how this turns out.